What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the Making Easy Money YouTube channel, where our main focus and goal is to make money in the stock market. And what we came to talk about here in today's video is no other than DJT. If you have been keeping up with the channel, I let everyone know we are in gamma squeeze territory. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached and breached our $50 price target before the election, like predicted. And here today, I am giving you guys yet another price target. So stick around. You're going to be excited for this one. Also, we're going to take a brief look at PHUN, what is really going on here this morning. As you all know, this thing tends to trade alongside DJT, but with the huge drop this morning, actually put the fuel out for today's short cover wave. As you all know, I told everyone in yesterday's video, if we do get that adequate buying pressure here in today's pre-market, we may see a short cover wave unfold, but we got the total opposite. Stick around. I'm going to give you my insight and price prediction for the end of the day. But before we do so, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on any of my home run plays, such as DJT. We first got in DJT at $12.40, with that first price target being $6.50 plus. I alerted this thing back on 9/24, September 24th at 8:49 a.m. And if we take a brief look and just check out DJT here on the day chart here really quickly, as you guys can see here, we actually got this thing on the bottom out day here on 9/24. And currently the stock is up well over 289% thanks to today's pre-market rally. So with that being said, guys, if you don't want to miss out on these home run plays, make sure you get over to the Discord. The sign up link is in the description below. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is PHUN. As you all know, this thing has been on fire, but it has been very volatile. Like I told you guys before, PHUN is going to be the much more volatile play. DJT on the other side isn't so much going to be that volatile until after the election. With that being said, even though that yesterday we did get a huge short selling day with a total of 4.53 million shares sold short, today those carryover short shares are in a great profit taking opportunity. In fact, we may fall SSR here today in PHUN, which is only going to result in a short sale restriction day here tomorrow. We did see what an SSR day did do before for PHUN. If we go back to the day chart, we fell SSR here on this day, and the very next day we did close for a 25% gain. I do feel as though that may take place here in PHUN, especially with the high short sale numbers here yesterday, giving them a great opportunity to lock in those gains here today, especially if we start to see some buying pressure play into PHUN here throughout the trading day. That's ultimately going to start closing their profit window, which can cause shorts to start to cover, which ultimately cause the short cover wave to take place, especially if it's a huge amount of short shares lingering around. But with that SSR, is only going to put even more pressure on those short positions to be covered. Okay, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, my price prediction for PHUN. Before I give you that, I want to give you some more insight on DJT. We're going to come back to PHUN, guys, don't worry. But DJT, things are looking very, very bright here on the day. Yesterday was a major short selling day, well over 8%. We do see over 10 million shares being sold short. With today's pre-market buying pressure, any short positions taken here in DJT days in the past, okay, all last week, if they're still lingering around, they're in a bad position to be covered here today, especially those short shares here yesterday. Like I said, a big short selling day, guys. 10 million shares were sold short here. We did get a nice at the closing price of $47. We're getting an increase in volume here in DJT as the share price get higher. We tend to not see that in the market. That is very unusual. But anytime that you see that type of combination, ladies and gentlemen, it reeks a continuation of an uptrend. I do feel as though that DJT stands a very great chance to cross those $60 levels here on the day. My price prediction for DJT before the election, as you all know, it was $50, and I do have a $60 price target for the end of the day. My price target before the election, ladies and gentlemen, is now $67. Okay, as you all know, I do give you guys realistic price targets here on the channel. Each price target has been realistic, and we have reached and breached that. I know a lot of people are calling out for triple digit share prices, and let's not get carried away. With that type of mindset, ladies and gentlemen, you will actually become a bag holder and miss out on your profit taking opportunity. With that being said, you may want to lock in gains on the way up, and later today I will be revealing a DJT easy money put option for after the election. It's going to be a race to sell. So with that being said, it's going to be easy money on the way down. As you all know, I did give you guys a easy money call option here in DJT, which was the 11-1 strike for the 11-1 expiration for the $30 strike price, and that thing is well in the money. Okay, so with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you be looking out for that video here later today. Now let's go back to PHUN. And guys, if you're interested in that easy money put option here for after the election, comment in the comment section below. Interested? If we can get 25 of those, I will drop that video. I just want to drop content that the viewers are interested in. So PHUN. End of the day, price prediction for this, guys. Like I said before, what we want to see is some buying pressure roll in. So I'm going to give you two sides of the fence. If that buying pressure roll in, it's more than likely we will see this stock actually climb back towards those $11 levels, and the likelihood of shorts covering due to their profit window is starting to close. But if we do not get that buying pressure, ladies and gentlemen, we may see PHUN fall back towards those sub $8 levels. Okay, so that is the risk versus reward here currently in PHUN. So with that being said, guys, if you agree with anything I said in this video, can you please leave a thumbs up on it? Also, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure you have all post notifications set to all, so you will be alerted each and every time I create one of these videos. And may the gains be with you.